Welcome to ihakimi. This is the dashboard, your command center. You can see the total number of bot users, active users, and all the channels connected to your bots. Next, we move to our prime feature, Omnichannel. With ihakimi, you can connect multiple business channels like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WeChat, and many more all in one place. Then we have live chat. Here, you can view and respond to messages from every channel in a single window. You can also filter by specific channels to see conversations individually. You can also get team chat, where you can add members, create groups, and collaborate internally easily. ihakimi allows you to create custom pipelines and boards personalized to your business needs. You can set up multiple pipelines with different stages to streamline your workflow. Next is tickets, your dedicated support system. You can generate support tickets, assign them to the right team member, set priorities, and track resolutions effectively. Now let's look at the heart of ihakimi, the drag and drop bot builder. You can design master bots and sub bots with ease. Simply drag, connect, and customize each step of the flow to build powerful automated conversations. To keep track, we provide detailed analytics of both your bots and conversations, internal and client facing. A bonus feature is our AI Hub, where you can create AI agents, functions, prompts, and tasks. This integrates easily with leading AI platforms like OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, and more. You can also set keywords for Instagram and Facebook comments to trigger actions automatically. With sequences, you can build drip campaigns across multiple channels. With triggers, you can automate workflows based on specific business requirements. The content sections lets you manage tags, labels, notes, and even create WhatsApp business templates. Under tools, you can schedule messages, enable multiple languages, or even create your own custom language options. ihakimi also makes broadcasting simple. Send WhatsApp templates, Facebook notifications, emails, SMS, and more, all in just a few clicks. For inspiration, explore our template store where you will find ready-made templates to get started quickly. Integration is easy too. Connect with apps like Twilio, Dialpad, Shopify, WooCommerce, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and wide range of AI tools and third-party platforms. And finally, ihakimi also powers your e-commerce needs. Manage products, collections, shopping carts, vendors, discounts, and more, all within the platform. That's ihakimi, your all-in-one solution for business communication, automation, and growth.